Transforming your home into a haven of comfort, efficiency, and style doesn't always require major renovations or expensive gadgets. Sometimes, the smartest solutions come from simple, unexpected tricks, ingenious hacks that make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. Today, let's explore 20 clever home hacks that will truly blow your mind, each designed to save you time, money, and a little bit of sanity. Let's begin with a classic: repurposing household items. Did you know that a humble tension rod can instantly create extra storage space? Install a tension rod beneath your sink or inside a closet, and suddenly you have a perfect place to hang spray bottles, scarves, ties, or even cleaning supplies. It's simple, affordable, and makes use of vertical space that's often wasted. Next, let's talk about the power of vinegar. Vinegar isn't just for cooking, it's a cleaning superstar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle to create a natural, effective cleaner for windows, countertops, and even stubborn shower stains. Add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell, and you have a non-toxic solution that leaves your home sparkling. Ever struggle with tangled cables and chargers? Here's a hack: use binder clips to organize your cords. Attach a few large binder clips to the edge of your desk or nightstand and thread your charging cables through the metal loops. This keeps them tidy, prevents tangling, and ensures you'll never have to hunt for the right cable again. Kitchen hacks can make meal prep a breeze. For example, freeze leftover herbs in olive oil using an ice cube tray. Simply chop your herbs, add olive oil, and freeze. Whenever you need a burst of flavor, toss a cube into your pan for instant seasoning. No more wilted herbs in your fridge. Now, onto the laundry room. Dryer sheets aren't just for softening clothes. They can also banish static from your hair and dust from your baseboards. Simply swipe a dryer sheet along baseboards, blinds, or screens to lift away dust and leave a light, pleasant scent. Speaking of scent, here's a trick for freshening your home naturally. Place a few drops of your favorite essential oil onto the cardboard tube inside a toilet paper roll. Every time the roll spins, it releases a subtle aroma, keeping your bathroom smelling clean without chemical air fresheners. Let's tackle organization in the bathroom. Use magnetic strips inside your medicine cabinet to hold metal grooming tools like tweezers, nail clippers, and scissors. This frees up shelf space and ensures these small items are always within reach, but never lost. Ever wish you could maximize your closet? Try the soda can tab hack. Place a soda can tab over the hook of a hanger, then add a second hanger through the other hole. This instantly creates a cascading effect, allowing you to double up on hangers and save precious closet space. Cleaning your microwave doesn't have to be a chore. Fill a bowl with water and a few slices of lemon, then microwave on high for 5 minutes. The steam loosens grime and the lemon cuts through odors, making it easy to wipe the interior clean with a cloth. If you're short on counter space, here's a trick for temporary extra room. Place a cutting board across an open drawer. The drawer acts as a support, giving you an instant prep station, and when you're done, simply slide it back in. For pet owners, fur can be a constant battle. Instead of endlessly vacuuming, use a squeegee to lift hair from carpets and upholstery. The rubber edge grabs the fur, making cleanup quick and efficient, especially on stairs and furniture. Let's talk about shoe storage. If your shoes are always cluttered at the entrance, hang a fabric shoe organizer on the inside of a closet door. This keeps pairs together and off the floor, freeing up space and making it easy to grab your favorites on the go. Ever struggle to open tightly sealed jars? Here's an old-school hack. Use a thick rubber band around the lid for extra grip. The rubber creates friction, making it easier to twist off even the most stubborn jars. If your silver jewelry or cutlery is tarnished, line a bowl with aluminum foil. Add hot water, a tablespoon of baking soda, and your items. Let them soak for a few minutes. The tarnish will transfer from your silver to the foil, leaving your items gleaming. For plant lovers, watering can be tricky. Place ice cubes on the soil of potted plants. The slow melting provides consistent moisture, preventing overwatering and root rot, a simple solution for forgetful gardeners. Maximize your freezer's efficiency with the bag file hack. Store frozen veggies, fruits, and leftovers in labeled zip-top bags, then file them vertically like folders. This makes it easy to see what you have and prevents forgotten mystery meals from piling up. If you love DIY, try using a pool noodle as a door draft stopper. Cut the noodle to size, slit it lengthwise, and wrap it around the bottom of your door. This blocks cold air, reduces noise, and keeps dust at bay. All for just $1 or $2. Let's tackle pantry organization. Use clear containers or glass jars for dry goods and label them with chalkboard stickers or masking tape. This not only looks stylish, but also helps you see what you have at a glance, reducing waste and making shopping easier. For quick bedroom tidying, keep a decorative basket or ottoman at the foot of your bed. Toss extra pillows, blankets, or laundry inside when guests arrive, and close the lid for instant neatness. It's the ultimate hack for hiding clutter in a pinch. Finally, for the ultimate lazy cleaning hack, toss old socks over your hands and use them as dusters. Glide your sock-covered hand over shelves, blinds, or electronics. When you're done, simply toss the sock in the wash. No need for disposable wipes or special tools. Each of these hacks is proof that small changes can make a big difference. From clever storage solutions to creative cleaning tricks, these ideas help you reclaim your time, space, and peace of mind. Whether you're a neat freak, a busy parent, or just someone who loves a good shortcut, these ingenious home hacks are sure to inspire you to look at your living space in a whole new way. As you incorporate these tips into your daily routine, remember that the best home is one that works for you. With a little creativity and a willingness to try something new, you can turn every corner of your house into a place of comfort and efficiency. So, don't hesitate to experiment. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones that truly blow your mind.